stuff into the OSR. Our big machine that holds on to all our parts before we call them down to send them out. So I'll take a pallet and I'll scan it, and it'll tell me how much to put in, and I will put it in the designated totes, which will go in and get stored in there. And we can only fit so much into a tote, so I have to split up the totes accordingly for how much product we have. And upstairs, they'll call out the orders, and they'll pick the orders from the stuff that I put in there. And then we'll call them back down and palletize them and send them to the customer. Yeah, we have drivers and pickers out there that are picking the inventory that I need to put in. One thing that I really like about Würth is it's really fast-paced and I'm always busy. I'm not stuck doing the same thing all day, every day. I've never had a job where the time flies by so fast.